And then Deacon restaurant, we got Crete salad and we got the snail.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, so this one is a Crete style salad. It has potato, croutons, and soft cheese on top. And beautiful background. What do you think? It has like a little bit of bitter taste.
Alright, so.
But I like it. This Iranian rice, and this is with wine. So we just came from Tanam. We just got the Iranian rice and the octopus with wine.
Yeah. I
thought it was a little bit salty. And the Iranian rice actually tastes like his cook that he makes at home. It has like herbs, saffron, and raisins. I'm not really a fan of raisins, to be honest. We like to explore where nobody really goes, so this is like one of the areas in a random hidden valley, or I don't know what this one is. Nobody really comes here except maybe us. But that's part of the fun ways of being adventurous, getting lost in a little valley out of the crowd. We're just gonna walk a little bit and then eat more. It looks so good.